morning, Warrant Officer Mahlangu.
Good morning. Good morning, my lord.
Thank you. You indicated that on the 16th of June 2020, you were on duty in Pretoria North. Is that correct?
That's correct, Worship.
Ushilo ukuthi ke nge 16th ka June 2020 wawusemsebenzini ePretoria North yebo kuyiqiniso.
What were your duties for the day?
I was a charge office commander.
Kwakuyimina ke owayephethe noma owayehola charge office commander.
What are the responsibilities of the charge office commander?
The responsibility of charge office commander, you must check if the member, they are opening the docket, you can check the charges. If the member you come across with a difficult to the member of the public, they come to you and ask, and you assist the members for that.
Okwenzayo ke uma kuwena ophethe charge office ukuthi ke uma ilunga ke noma iphoyisa livula ke idokodo uyabheka ke lokho ubheke futhi ke amaqala nokuthi uma ke iphoyisa linenkinga einalo ehlangabezana nalo kanye nelunga lomphakathi noma ke umuntu ozile e-police station uyalekelela khona lapho.
Does your responsibilities also extend to checking the cells?
No, a responsibility of checking the cells is a relief commander. If everything we come across or any problem, and then we report it to the relief commander.
Umsebenzi ke ukuthi ke kuyobhekwa ke emaselini umsebenzi lowo ke we relief commander uma ke sikhona inkinga esihlangabezana nazo sibika kuyena ke relief commander.
And then who was the relief commander for the night?
It was Captain Mahlangu.
Captain Mahlangu ke ngalabo busuku okwakuyena kwakuyi relief commander.
And then who was responsible in the cells?
The responsible in the cells, he was Warrant Officer Masilela and Sergeant Matatanya.
Sergeant
Matatanya.
Okay, kwaku Warrant Officer Masilela kanye no Sergeant Matatanya ekubona ke ababebhekene namasela.
And then you also testified about this SAP-14 register. Can you remind us what is that?
SAP-14 is where if the suspect, they brought it in, and then you must put it in the SAP-14.
SAP-14 yilapho ke uma ngabe kulethwe umsola noma kunomsola ongenisiwe ila ke umsola abhalwa khona ke kuyona SAP-14.
Have you ever been posted in the cells before?
Yes.
Kwake kwenzeka yini ukuthi ngaphambilini uyosetshenziswa ke kuona ama cells? Yebo.
Can you then enlighten the court what happens when you book in a suspect in the cells?
When the suspect, he came in, and then you take all the property of the suspect. If starting from the shoelace, the waist belt, the cell phone, you must switch it off, the medication, and then you put it on SAP-22, Erisna's property.
Okwenzeka ke ukuthi ke uye uthathe ke lokho umsolo anako ke bamanga uthola ukuthi icathulo zakhe ke ziyabopha uyayithatha ke intambo ke noma ke phecelezi ke ama lace icathulo ibhande uyathatha so what did you say about medication?
Even the medication, you take it.
Noma ukuthi ke kunemishanguzo ke anayo kuyena nayo uyayithatha uma futhi ke enomakhalekhukhwini ukuthi ke lo makhalekhukhwini ufanele ukuthi ucishwe.
Thank you. And then the search that happens, who does the search?
Yeah, if you take him to the main cell and then search him properly, then you take him to the main cells.
Uma ukuthi ke umhambisa kona ke ama cell ekubona ke amakhulu phecelezi ke ama main cell yila othi umseshe khona ke kahle ube semuva kwalokho ke uyamhambisa.
And then who keep the keys to the cells?
A cell manager, he must keep the keys.
Okuyena ke manager wama cells uyena ogcina ikhiya.
And then on the 16th of June 2020, who was the cell manager?
It was Warrant Masilela and Sergeant Matatanya.
Ngazo i-16 June 2020 kwaku-warrant officer Masilela kanye nayo Sergeant Matatanya ekuyibona ababe ama-manager ama-cells.
And who is responsible for allocating the cells?
It's Warrant Masilela.
Umuntu-ke okuyena-ke ukuthi kuyanikezeke ngama-cell uma asho ukuthi iliphi i-cell ezosetshenziswa warrant officer Masilela.
Can investigators keep keys to the cells?
No, they are not allowed.
Ingaba-ke abaphenyi noma-ke abaseshi bavumelekile yini ukuthi kube yibona-ke abagcina ikhiya? Cha, abavumelekile.
Can the investigators allocate a cell to a detainee?
If they investigate, they want the suspect in the cell, he must book him out and then he must sign for the suspect and the sales manager, he go to take out the suspect.
Ngabe bayakwazi yini laba abaphenyayo noma abaseshi ukuthi kube yibona abathi abakhethela umsolwa ukuthi ke yiliphi cell azogcina kulona? Uma ngabe ke lowo ophenyayo noma ke umseshi ke efuna umsolwa uzohamba ke ayokhuluma ke nalowo okuyimanager noma ke ophethe kuona ama cell bese ke ayokhishwa ke phecelezi ukuthi abhukwe out.
You have the SAP14 register in front of you. Can you confirm that?
Yes, I have it.
Are you able to see the name of Bongani Ntanzi on that register?
Yes.
Yebo
my
igama
lord.
kaBongani Ntanzi ngiyalibona lana.
Can you confirm on what charge was he brought into Pretoria North?
Murder,
Ungasho yini ukuthi yiliphi icala ayelethele lona ePretoria North, icala lokubulala?
And then for which station and case?
Wanongoma, case 163 of 10/2018.
Ukuthi ke icala la kuphi nendawo kwaNongoma inumber 16310/2018.
And then what does the recording of Wanongoma case 163 of 10/2018 mean?
Come again with that question.
I'm saying, what does it mean if it's written that he was brought in for that Wanongoma case 163 of 10/2018?
It means that the case was been opened Kwanongoma and then it's been investigated Kwanongoma SAPS.
Lokhu kokubhalwe lana kusho ukuthi ke icala lavulwa kwaNongoma nokuthi ke la eliphenywa khona liphenywa khona ke amaphoyisa akwaNongoma.
And then can you proceed to read the next column?
Column number 717.1 is the SAP 14A register book number.
Bese kuthi ke ucolumn 7.1 iSAP 14A i-register book number.
And then column 7.2 is a notice of right serial number.
Bese kuthi ke u7.2 inumber ke yencwadi ke noma ke iphepha leli libizwa ngokuthi ke i-notice of rights amalungelo phecelezi ke
8.1 is the date when they brought him in.
bese kuthi ke u8.1 ilanga abamletha ngalo
8.2 is the time of the OB.
Bese kuthi ke u8.2 isikhathi sayo iOB.
Let me stop you right there. I want to hand you the original OB. There's the OB there. In that SCP-14, is there an OB number? In the SCP-14, let's start with the SCP-14.
Yeah, on the SAP 14, there is a number of when they book him out and back.
Bese kuthi la kuyona ke SAP 14 kune number ke la eba noma ke isikhathi la abamkhipha khona base beyambuyisa futhi.
But according to that document, when was the suspect detained? What time was the suspect detained?
The suspect has been detained 2022.42.
Isikhathi ke esibhaliwe lana ke u22:42.
And then can you check the corresponding entry to the occurrence book?
Yes, it's corresponding.
Nakulena ke incwadi umshushisi aqeda ke unikeza ufakazi uyafaka uyashoka noma uyaqinisekisa ukuthi yebo isikhathi lesi esibhaliwe lana siyahambisana nesikhathi lesi esikule incwadi.
Okay, yes, proceed to the next column.
The next column, 8.3 is the SAP receipt number, the serial number. They must put it on 8.3.
Bese kuthi lana ke ku 8.3 kune number ke ebhala ukuthi ke SAP 13 receipt number ekufanele sorry SAP 22 receipt number ekufanele ukuthi ke ibhalwa la eduze ko 8.3.
What is written next to Bongani Ndanzi's name?
It's empty, nothing is written.
Eduze ke kwegama lakhe Bongani Ntanzi ke abhalwe lutho.
Is there, according to that register, is there any property that was booked? SAP 22 property booked?
No, according to the register, there's nothing have been booked.
Ngokwale ncwadi ke phecelezi ke iregister lena ke akukho okwabhukwa noma ke okuwokwakhe okwathathwa kwabe sekuyabhalwa.
And then, next column.
The next column is 9.
Let's deal with 8 point. We were dealing with SAP 22. Let's deal with SAP 13 before we move to 9.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, the next column is 8.4.
Yes.
8.4, if there is an exhibit that they book it in the CSC, they must put SAP 13 on column 8.4.
Bese kuthi kuyena ke 8.4 uma kukhona ke noma likhona izibithi ekuyilona ke abalithathileke noma abalitholileke ilona ke abazobhala ngaphansi kwakhe u8. Noma eduze kwakho 8.4 khulunywa ngayo ke SAP 13.
Okay. Is there anything written next to Mr. Bongani Ndanzi's name?
No, it's empty.
Nalana ke eduze kwegama noma ke eduze kwegama lakhe ke uMnumzana Bongani Ntanzi akukho okubhaliwe.
What does that mean?
That means there was no exhibit has been booked on his name.
Okusho ukuthi ke alikho izibithi elabhalwa ke ngegama lakhe noma eduze kwegama lakhe.
Okay. Let's proceed. Paragraph 9. Oh, column number 9.
Column number 9 is where if you have a representative coming to visit and then you book him the serial number from the visiting registers.
Bese kuthi ke yena ke ku column number 9 uma kuukuthi ke kunommeli ozayo ke ozombona uzobhala ke inamba lapha yana yayo ke ivisit leyo.
In the next column.
The next column 10 is where next of kin he coming to visit, the time of visit, there is a register, and then you write the register number and you put the serial number on column 10.
Bese kuthi ke kuyena ke u10 uma kuukuthi ke kukhona ke umuntu naye umuntu osondelene naye ezombona ke ila obhala khona ke inamba uyena ucolumn 10.
Okay. And then let's go to column number 12. What does it say?
Column?
12.
12. Column 12, 12.1 is where the suspect is being charged.
Bese kuthi ke ku12 u12.1 yila khona ke manje umsolwa esethweswa khona icala noma amacala.
Was the suspect charged in this matter?
Yes, the suspect has been charged on the 19/20/2006.
Yebo ke wathweswa icala noma phela ukuthweswa kamacala ngazo i19 kuJune 2020.
What was the charge?
The time is on column 12.2 is 02.35.
Isikhathi ke sibhaliwe la ngaphansi kwakhe ke 12.2 u235 ngo2 lona obhaliwe ke u2 wasentathakusa.
And then what is the charge against the suspect?
The charge was also the murder.
Icala ke lethweswa lokubulala.
And then the case number?
The case number is Kwanongoma case number 163/10/2018.
Inamba yalo ke icala u16310 ka2018 onongoma.
And then whilst you are in that register, can we clarify this? From what you have placed on record so far, is there any reference to Foslora's case 636/10/2014? From the first entry, first column to number 12 in the SAP14 register?
No.
Kuloko sokufundileke manje kusuka eqaleni la ofunde khona uzogcina la soqeda ufunda khona manje kukhona ke la ekhuluma khona ke ngo Fosloras 636/10/2014 cha.
Can you also confirm that the suspect was being charged for the Nongoma case 163/10/2018?
Yes, I can confirm from this column, if the suspect has been detained with the charge, also when you charge him, you must charge him with that, the charge has been detained for him.
Yebo ngingaqinisekisa ke ukuthi ke noma ke esethweswa ke icala wathweswa icala lona ke la kwaNongoma 163/10/2018 ukuthi ke uma ngabe usekufikelele isikhathi sokuthi umethwese ke icala umethweswa icala la lokho ke ekuyikona akungenele estoksini noma kuma amasel.
Okay. Accused number 2 told this court that when he was at Pretoria North, he was informed by Sergeant Mohane that is being charged for the Senzo Meyiwa murder case, meaning Foslora's case 636/10/2014. Can you confirm such a charge?
I can't confirm it, my lord, because when they're investigating, they took out the suspect to charge, not he charged them alone, and then the investigating, he just came and told him, can you charge my suspect to the book? He's been charged. And then I do according to investigating officer.
Angeke ngiqinisekiseke ukuthi ke uma ngabe ethweswa icala watheswa icala ke lase Fosloras 636/10/2014 ngoba ke uma ngabe ophenyayo noma umseshi ethweswa umsola ke icala angikho mina kodwa ke okwenzekayo ukuthi ngenza lokho ke engicelwayo uma ngabe umseshi esethi ke ngicela ke umsolwa ke athweswe ke lecala leli kube yikona ke mina engikwenzayo lokho engikutshelwayo.
So what documentation do you require for you to complete that register?
There's no any document I required, because you must know that the suspect, I charge him on investigating name.
Akukho ke engikudingayo noma ke idocument noma phecelezi ke iphepha noma amaphepha engikudingayo ukuthi ke ngigcwalise noma ngibhale lana ngoba ke mina ke uma ke ngithwesa icala noma ke ngimcharge ke umsola ngifuna nje phela ke igama leli ke lophenyo.
And then where do you get the SAP14A serial number?
The SAP14A serial number, I get it from the book. If the investigating officer, he came with the serial number from another station, and then I take that serial number and then I put it on the right column.
Okwenzekayo ke lokho kubizwa ngokuthi ke phecelezi ke i-serial number ngikuthola mina ke kuncwadi kuma kuukuthi ke umseshi noma ke umphenyi ke wecala uze nayo ke ebuya kwenye noma ebuya kwesinye isiteshi mina ke ngizothi ke ngibhalele ke kwindawo ekuyiyona efanelekile phecelezi ke i-column ekuyiyona.
And then I'm interested in this now. Were you able to establish where the book in which they took out this notice of rights, was it from Pretoria North or from any other station?
According to the serial number here, it's from Pretoria North.
Uma sibuka ke i-serial number lena ukuthi ke lemininingwane yathathwa kuphi ke iyakhombisa ukuthi ke yathathwa kuyona khona ePretoria North.
And then do you at some stage after you have entered these details there, check if the information is correct against the SAP14A documents?
The only thing that we can check is the serial number, just because the arresting suspect is the one that they must inform the suspect and give him the notice of right and sign. The only cell manager, he just took and write the serial number.
Into ekuyiyona thina ke esingathi siyibheke ukuqinisekisa ngayo ke iloko kubizwa ngokuthi ke inamba noma phecelezi ke i-serial number ngoba ke uma ngabe ke ethweswa icala ke noma lo ekuyena owambopha umsolwa uyena ke uma ngabe esemnikeza yona ke iphepha leliyana ke yilona elinaleya serial number kanye naloyo ke oyi-cell manager futhi ke uqinisekisa ngayo i-serial number leyana noma ubheka yona.
Okay. Now let's move to the OB book SCP-10. I see there are hourly visits there.
Yes, ma'am.
And then I see the people that were responsible for conducting the hourly visits is Warrant Officer Masilela and Warrant Officer Mahlangu.
Yes, I see my name on the occurrence book, but on that time is an error, I can say, just because I was busy in the CSC.
Ngiyabona ke lana ukuthi abantu ababhaliwe kuyibona ke bebenza ama cell visit Warrant Officer Masilela no Warrant Officer Mahlangu. Yebo ngiyalibona igama lami kodwa ngasho nje ukuthi ke kwakuyiphutha ke ngoba ke ngalesi isikhathi lesiya mina ke ngangibusy ke CSC.
Can I establish from you, was Captain Mahlangu also inspecting cells on the day?
Yes, she's the relief commander. If everything, the relief commander, they must go and search the cells and do the entry.
Ingabe uCaptain Mahlangu naye ke umuntu wayehamba manje kulama hourly visit ukuthi njalo ngehora ayobheka ama cell ekwenza yini lokho? Yebo na njenge commander ke ukuthi kuhambe kuyobhekwa ke nokuthi kuseshwe ke uma ngabe ukuthi kufanele kuseshwe.
Can you place the first cell visit after the suspect was detained at Pretoria North?
Come again?
The first entry cell visit after the detention of accused number 2?
Yes, I see Masilela and my name again.
Ingabe ungasitshela yini ke nge-cell visit yokuqala la ekwayiwa khona ke emaseleni okokuqala? Yebo ngiyalibona igama lika Warrant Officer Masilela nelami.
But do you see that the cell visits proceeds up until the change of shifts?
Kodwa ingabe uyabona yini ukuthi ke ukuvisithelwa ke kwama-cell kuhamba kuze kuyogcina ke la khona ekushintshwa ama-shift khona noma isikhathi sokusebenza?
Yes, my lord, I see it. That's why I testify that on that night, I have never visited a scene, the cells, because on the CSC also there is an inspection that I must do.
Yebo ke ngiyakubona lokho nkosenkantolo kodwa ke ingako ngisho ukuthi ngalo babusuku lobuyana angaze ngiyeke kubona ke ama-cell ngoba ke na se-CSC noma phecelezi ke la kubizwa ngokuthi khona ke se-charge office ukhona ke ama-inspection efanele ngiwenze khona.
And then you also said that the other person who was assisting Warrant Officer Masilela is Sergeant Matatanya.
Correct, my lord.
Ushilo ke ukuthi umuntu wayelekelela uWarrant Officer Masilela kwakuwu-Sergeant Matatanya. Yebo nkosenkantolo.
Is his name mentioned anywhere in that OB book?
No, my lord, I wonder why.
Ingabe igama lakhe libhaliwe yini ke kule ncwadi phecelezi ke OB book? Cha nkosenkantolo futhi ke ngiyayibuza ukuthi kungani.
And then as the CSC commander, do you go through the ACP-10 register? Do you go through it?
No, it's the relief commander's duty.
Ingaba wena ke uyayibheka yini ke le ncwadi? Cha lowo umsebenzi ke we-relief commander.
When did you realize that there was an error there?
I realize when I see it now in court.
Uzokubona nini ukuthi kunephutha ke lana ngikubona manje ke njengoba nginikezwe la enkantolo.
Okay. Let me check this with you now. In Pretoria North, do you also conduct the 1 hour cell visits?
Yes, my lord, we do it as sales manager, is their duties, they must visit sales hourly.
Ingaba ke ePretoria North niyakwenza yini lokho ukuthi njalo ngehora niyobheka ke amasela? Yebo, lowo ke okuyimanager ke amasela njalo ngehora kufanele ke aqinisekiseke ukuthi ke amasela ayabheka.
And then who ensures that the cell visits are conducted hourly?
Is the relief commander's duties.
Ubani ke oqinisekisayo ukuthi lokho kuyenziwa njalo ngehora? Umsebenzi ke lowo we-relief commander.
I want to show you a document, Exhibit LL1. Can you identify that document?
Yes, I can identify it.
Yebo, ngiyalazi ke iphepha leli engilinikwayo.
Can you identify it?
Yeah, it's SAP 14A, the constitutional right of the suspect.
Yebo ke iphepha ke leli libizwa ngokuthi ke SAPS 14A amalungelo ke ngokomthetho sisekelo akhe umsolo.
And then what is the case and the station?
The case is Kwanongoma case 163/10/2018.
KwaNongoma 163/10/2018.
And then who is the suspect?
The suspect is Bongani Ntanzi.
Is umsolo wake lana okubhaliwe ke uBongani Sandiso Ntanzi.
When was it issued?
He was issued 200 hours point 45.
22:45 isikhathi.
On which date?
The date is the 16th of June 2020.
Ngey 16 sika June 2020.
And then is it signed by the person detaining the suspect?
Correct.
Ngaba kwasayina yini umuntu okuyena ke owavalela umsolwa? Yebo.
Is it signed by the detained person?
Yebo.
Umuntu lo yena ke kuyena owavalela noma oboshiwe ngaba naye wasayinda? Yebo.
And then does the information contained in that SAP 14 notice of rights correspond with what is written on the SAP 14 register?
Yes, my lord, is corresponding.
Ingabe imininingwane ekuleli phepha oqeda ukufunda manje SAP 14A amalungelo ngokomthetho sisekelo iyahambisana yini nemininingwane ebhaliwe la kule ncwadi SAP 14? Yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
Does the information contained in the SAP 14 notice of rights correspond with what is written on the SAP 10 occurrence book?
Yes, my lord, is corresponding.
Ingabe lokho okubhalwe kuleli phepha SAP 14A kuyahambisana yini nokubhalwe kule ncwadi lena ke SAPS 10? Yebo kuyahambisana Nkosi enkantolo.
And I just want to, then in conclusion, check with you. If a suspect comes to your station with injuries, what do you do?
If the suspect comes with injuries, the arresting officer, they must take the suspect for medical attention.
Uma kuwukuthi ke umsolwa uza ke kuthina lapha epolice station eza elimele, iphoyisa ke okuyilona ke elambopha kufanele limhambiseke ukuthi ke ayothola ke ukuthi ke alashwe.
Can I have that SAP 10 back?
10.
And then, yes. And then what are the responsibilities of the cell complex manager in that case?
The responsibility of the cell manager, if they brought a suspect in the cell and then you detain him, the arresting officer is the one that they must issue the notice of right, and he must tell you the time of arrest and the reason of why he is arresting him.
Kulowo ke okuyena ophethe ke ama cell phecelezi ke i-cell manager okwakheke ukuthi ke lowo iphoyisa ekuyilona elibophe umsola kufanele ke malifika lapho ke limnikeze ke iphepha leli ke lawo amalungelo eSAP 14 bese liyasho ke nesizathu sokuboshwa kwakhe umsolwa.
Thank you. And then when a suspect is booked out for investigations by the investigating team, upon his return, does he get searched?
Yes, my lord, it must be searched.
Uma ngabe umsolwa ekhishiwe ke ithimba eliphenyayo noma ke umseshi ukuthi ke kuyophenywa uma ngabe buya ingabe uyaseshwa yini? Yebo uyaseshwa kufanele ukuthi ke aseshwe.
And then does he get asked if he's got any complaints, any injuries?
If he get any complaints and injuries, and then you make the entry on the SAP 10.
Uma kuwukuthi ke engabe yabuzwa yini ke ukuthi ke khona yini akhala ngako ulimele yini? Uma kuwukuthi ke kunokulimala khona ke noma khona akhala ngako kuyabhalwa phansi ke lokho kuyona SAP 10.
Can you tell the court whether on the 19th of June 2020 were you still on duty?
No, I was not on duty, my lord.
Ungasho yini ukuthi ngazi 19 June 2020 wawusemsebenzini yini? Cha ngangekho emsebenzini.
Just want to show you this entry at 2:30.
Yes.
Are you able to read that on record?
Investigation back, Detective Sergeant Mohani of National Cold Case Unit booked back one male suspect of murder on Kwanongoma case 163/06/2018. Bongani Ntanzi, SAP 14/64 okay. SAP 14/146/06/20. SAP S14A S126675 book back without any complaints or injuries, correctly handed.
Lana ke okubhaliwe ngo-2:30 isikhathi kubuywa ke kulona uphenyo u-Detective Sergeant Mohane osebenza ke kuyona ke National Cold Case Unit buya ke nomsolwa oyedwa umuntu wesilisa kwicala lokubulala uNongoma case 163/06/2018 uBongani Ntanzi SAP S14 164/06/20 SAP S14A 5126666765 ebuyiswa ke kungekho akhala ngako noma khona onda ngako noma ukulimala kwandluliswa kahle noma ke uma ke esenikezelwa konke ke kukahle.
Thank you. And then do you, in your line of duty, also make a similar entry into the SAP 13 that the suspect is correctly handed back without any injuries or complaints?
Yes, ma'am.
Wena ke kowakho umsebenzi ungabe nawe ke uyakubhala ke lokho okubhale lana ke ukuthi uma ngabe umsolwa ebuyiswa ubuyiswe kahle ke akukho akhale ngakho akukho ukulimala yebo.
Just briefly take us through that process.
If we bring back the suspect for investigation, and then you ask the suspect any injuries, any sustained problem before they investigating that the one that he booked him out, and then if there is a complaint against that investigating officer or any injuries, and then you write it down.
Okwenzekayo ke ukuthi ke uyambuza uma ngabe umsolwa ebuyiswa ke noma bekhanjiwe ke kuyophenywa usuyambuza ke umbuza ekhona ke loyo ebuyena ophenyayo noma ke bekuyena omkhiphile uma kuukuthi ke umsolwa kukhona akutshela kona uyakubhala phansi lokho ukuthi khona ukulimala noma khona akhala ngako ubhala phansi.
And then lastly, and then after he's detained, do you follow up with further cell visits?
The follow-up, if the suspect have the injuries, and then if he's willing to open a case, the sales manager, he must assist the suspect to opening the case.
Uma ngabe usilandelela ke manje esebuyiselwe ke efakiwe kuwona ama-cell, uma kuwukuthi ke khona ke ukulimala, umsolwa uyafisa ke ukuthi ke avule icala noma ke athwese icala lowo kuyena ke umlimazile, u-cell manager uyena ke ekufanele ukuthi ke amsize ke ngokwenza lokho.
Just now, in conclusion, when you do the cell visits, do you interact with the suspects or detained persons?
No,
Uma kokugcina ke manje uma seniya ke kuwona ke phecelezi ke ama-cell visits noma ke uyobuka ke kwisimo kuma-cell, ingaba khona yini ke uxoxisana ukukhulumisana nalabo ababoshiwe? Cha, ngosenkantolo.
What do you do when you do the cell visits?
and normally when you do the cell visit, you just check everything is fine, and then you ask them any complaint, just because it's the duty of the relief commander and the duty of the station commander when they visit the cells. If there's any complaint, they must take it further.
Okwenzekayo ke uma ngabe usuya kuma-cell uyobheka ke isimo, uyabheka ke ukuthi konke kukahle, ubese uyababuza ke ukuthi ke khona yini ukulimala, khona abakhala ngako, ngoba ke kuwumsebenzi we-relief commander, kuwumsebenzi we-station commander ukuthi ke bakubhekeke lokho, noma ke uma ngabe kukhona ke ukhononda noma ke ukulimala okukhona ukuthi ke kube yibona ke abakulandelelayo noma ke abenza ukuba nento abayenzayo ngalokho.
Can you just go back to the 16th of June on the SAP 10, just place this entry 467 on record at 2242? 467.
Yeah.
Yes. At 2242.
Okay. In transistor, Detective Sergeant Mohani of National Cold Case Unit with one male suspect on Nongoma case 163 of 10/2018. Bongani Ntanzi, SAP 14 64/06/2020, SAP 14A S 1266765, time of arrest 2100 with no injuries, contact number of Sergeant Moore.
Okubhaliwe ke la ngaphansi kwakhe ke u467 isikhathi u2242 ukuthi ke ehamba ke uDetective Sergeant Mohane we-National Cold Case Unit nomsolwa ke oyedwa umuntu wesilisa kwaNongoma case 163 10 of 2018, uBongani Ntanzi SAP 146406/2020, SAP 14A so no, the witness said S but it looks like a 5 here, 512666765. Isikhathi ke sokuboshwa kwabhalwa ke u2100, akukho ukulimala, kwabhalwa ke futhi ke nemininingwane ke yokuxhumana noma amanamba okuxhumana akhe ke uSergeant Mohane.
And then it says detained correctly and there's a signature there, correct?
Correct, my lord.
Kwase kuyasayindwa ke ngezansi.
Thank you, my lord. No further questions.